Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Ganesh Chaturthi day, August 31st, and I've come for the second delivery today. Subah I had gone to take my another ex-colleague, उनकी Kia Seltos की delivery थी, उसका वीडियो आप शायद ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं. और अभी एक सेकंड दोस्त की राइडर फ्रेंड की डिलीवरी है बाइक की, एंड इन सम टाइम विल गो इनसाइड एंड सी विच बाइक इट इज़, क्या क्या फीचर्स है या फिर क्या उन्होंने बिठाया है वगैरह वगैरह सब देखते हैं. A beautiful lineup outside. So obviously I'm at Kawasaki Pune, which is at Shivaji Nagar. यहाँ पे पहले ऑलरेडी एक डिलीवरी चल रही है. I can see some test ride bikes here. And Hemant is buying a new bike. He has sold off his Street Triple, then उसके बाद Speed भी बेच दी. पहले उनके पास 600 आई थी और आज he is picking one of those. There's the lineup so far. Beautiful bikes. अभी इनकी डिलीवरी चल रही है, बाद में विल हैव हेमंट्स बाइक अप. सो हेमंत की फैमिली भी आ चुकी है. हेमंट्स डॉटर इज़ प्लेस टीटी एट स्टेट लेवल. यहाँ पे भी कुछ डिलीवरी चल रही है. इज़ ऑल आवर बीओसी एंड आवर रेगुलर राइडिंग कम्युनिटी. मतलब वी गो ऑन राइड्स रेगुलरली, ऑल दीज गाइज. So everyone just came out because Sirish bhai came, and this Busa belongs to Sirish bhai. He got it few months ago. We are waiting for our last man. His name is Abhishek Chaugule, aka Bazikar. That's my TRK. He's still riding his 300, and उसके पास में left में you can see brand new 390 which belongs to our Sanjay bhai. उसका भी vlog आपने देख लिया रहेगा.
Sometimes it's free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't wanna know that, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher to stay close to me. I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't close my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't close my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't close my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Sometimes a disaster, sometimes it's free. Oh, you take the long way.
Taking all vehicle information. सब लोग सुन रहे हैं. Everyone is excited. Beautiful DRLs. Look at the color, it is so rich. JSL 2 has 1000 and जो बाहर वो हायाबुसा के लेफ्ट में खड़ी है वो JSL की गाड़ी है. All these guys have upgraded from Benellis to Triumphs, so now Kawasaki's. Shiru bhai updated to Hayabusa. I'm still with Benelli. Few of us are still with Benellis.
Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep
Oh, one by one सगळेच करा.
nicotine in my veins, flaming up the surge. What am I supposed to do? 'Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it smile like your television. In your eyes I see myself, I'm falling. Make it make sense, it must be the temptation speaking. What am I supposed to do, cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo, put me in a world. Put me in a world.
So Hemant has opted for only 3-4 accessories. One is this fork sliders, it comes on both the sides. Then is the frame slider which comes on both the sides, and the third one is the exhaust slider which is only on the exhaust side. इस side पे कुछ नहीं है, and I guess the spools. So these are only the accessories that he's opted for so far. And बाकी तो बाइक में कुछ बताने लायक है नहीं. There are a lot of online reviews already, you can check those. बारिश शुरू हो गई and we were not able to exit. तो अभी एक घंटा वहाँ पे सैंडविच वगैरह खा के टाइम पास करके now we asked them to get the bike out. एंड रुकी हुई है बारिश, तो उतने में अभी फटाफट 2-3 और फ़ोटो वगैरह लेंगे एंड देन विल लीव फॉर होम. कुछ लोग चले गए ऑलरेडी, उसकी फैमिली चली गई. फर्स्ट राइड. झाला पाऊस सुरू परत. मी सांगत होतो निघा पटकन. चला सगळ्यांनी बाय म्हणा. So we are leaving now. I hope you like the vlog. If yes, like, share, subscribe कर देना. And कुछ questions हो तो comments में पूछ लेना. See you in a new video very soon.
Sometimes it is disaster, sometimes it's free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me.